How to find top tracks on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find top tracks that you listen to on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find the top tracks that you might listen to on Spotify, it's very simple, but remember that we are not going to be able to do it from the Spotify app. So what we want to do is we want to simply open our browser, go to statsforspotify.com, and then make sure that you're signed into the account. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. And once you sign into the account, right here you'll find this option called top tracks. Now if you want to find the top artists and so on, you can do that as well, but just for the general context, I'll just tap the top tracks option. Here you can see on the last 4 weeks some of the top tracks you've listened to. On the last 6 months as well as all time, you'll be able to see your top tracks on Spotify. This way you can go ahead and then find the top tracks on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.